Oh, hi guys. You'll have to excuse my ignorance about electronics because I know nothing about it. I'm a beginner, and I thought what better way than to start learning electronics is to do a bit of metal detecting, because I'm into that as well. So what I'm going to do is show you a bit of a thing that I've just bought. It's a POWERSCAN metal detector from Bulgaria, and I'm hoping that that is how it's going to end up looking like. A few different pictures of the images. That's the back of it. This is on the website, and this POWERSCAN is in Bulgaria. I bought the electronic kit, which is that one there. Which is that lot over there. So this is a SNIFFER XR71 POWERSCAN 2 Pro electronic kit. I'm using the website as a reference for where all the buttons go and stuff like that. So that's why I've got this site up. These are where I'm going to be placing the stuff, and I think it looks sort of like somewhere near. This is the back plate where the coil, the fuse and the charging plug's going to go. I did buy a coil as well. So that's a very nice coil with a very nice stick. From the same place, and we'll give it a go. You get sent 2 Word documents. One is the instruction manual and one is the connections. So this metal detector will also take different sizes of square coils as well. I think these instructions on this page are more if you want to do your own coil, but I've had one made by him. These are the buttons, which are going to be them there, and I'm assuming you just connect them to this jumper, which is one of them. So I think it's either that one or that one. I'll have to try and suss out which. Oh, there, look. So that's jumper, that's number 1. Number 2 is there, and number 3 is there. So number 2 there, and number 3 there. Right. Let's give it a go. So all the bits in here, a tiny little 12-volt battery to go with it, speakers and stuff, those are the power switches, this is the actual board itself, what I'll do is I'll keep updating. Oh, that's the casing. What I'll do is I'll keep updating you, and as a bit of progress. So the first thing I'm going to do is put these switches on this panel. So I'll see you when I've done it. Oh, hello. I've drilled a 3mm pilot hole where I wanted each component. I've measured the diameter of the barrels and stuff on each switch and stuff like that. For example, the coil is 15.5 millimeters. So I need a drill bit that big. The fuse is 13 and the charger is 11. I've done the LEDs and the reset switch, but I still need to do the power switch. And I've half done the other switches. Now the only thing is, on these switches there is like a metal lug. I don't know if you can just see it there. I'm just assuming that you've got to drill a little hole for that metal lug to sit in to stop the switches turning and stuff. So I've decided that I'm going to, actually that's upside down, so if you were inside that box now looking out, that's how I'm going to position the switches, like that. So I'm going to drill them little holes. What I've done is I've put a bit of masking tape on and I've put the switch in, and then I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know if it's gonna. What I've done then is just done a tiny mark, and I'm going to drill a little hole just below them marks. The reason I haven't drilled that hole, 11.5, the 11, the 13 and the 15, is because my drill bits only go up to 10mm. So I'll drill them and then I'll get back to you. I'm back again. Right, I've drilled them little tiny holes, and as you can see, the little metal pin things have now got a little hole of themselves, and the buttons are coming together. I've only pushed one down just to show you what it'll look like. And I think that's fairly neat, as neat as I'm going to get it anyway. Just let me stick it on here. Oh bollocks. Right, try it again. So I think I've got them fairly well spaced, but that's what the front is going to look like. And then from the back, so everything's nice and clear. Anyway, I need some bigger drill bits before I can carry on, and that's going to pee me off a bit, having to buy 4 bloody drill bits that are probably going to be a £5 each or something, I don't know, for these big ones, just to drill one bloody hole. Right, I'll speak to you soon.